In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error. Please set up Google Play Store to make purchases in Roblox. This issue usually happens when your Google Play Store account is not properly set up, or your payment method is missing or not verified. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account on your device. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, and confirm you're logged in. Next, check your payment methods. Go to Play Store Settings, then Payments and Subscriptions, and tap Payment Methods. Add or update a valid payment method like a card or PayPal if required. After that, clear the cache for both Google Play Store and Google Play Services. Go to Settings, then Apps, find both apps, open storage, and tap Clear Cache. If the issue continues, restart your phone and try again. Also, make sure Roblox is updated to the latest version from the Play Store, because older versions can sometimes cause purchase errors. Finally, open Roblox again and try making the purchase. It should now connect properly to the Google Play Store. And that's how to fix the Please Set Up Google Play Store to Make Purchases error in Roblox. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.